Hello and welcome to our Arduino Beginner Series. If you ever wanted to dive into the world of electronics and programming but didn't know where to start, you're in the right place. I'm kicking things off in this video with a fundamental question. What is Arduino? At its core, Arduino is an open source electronics platform based on easy to use hardware and software. Arduino boards can read inputs such as light on a sensor, a finger pressing on a button, or receiving an email, and turn them into an output, activating a motor, turning on an LED, or publishing something online. You can tell your board what to do by sending a set of instructions to the microcontroller on the board. And this is done through the Arduino programming language and the Arduino software, or IDE. Now you might wonder, how is Arduino different from, say, a Raspberry Pi or even my desktop computer? That's a good question. While both Arduino and Raspberry Pi are popular among hobbyists and educators, they serve different purposes. Arduino is a microcontroller, which is essentially a tiny single-function computer. It's perfect for controlling devices and performing simple, repetitive tasks. On the other hand, Raspberry Pi is a microcomputer, which means it's a fully functional computer that can perform a wide range of tasks, run a full operating system, and even handle multitasking, much like your desktop computer, but on a smaller scale. The simplicity of Arduino makes it an excellent choice for beginners and projects requiring real-time responses like sensor reading or motor control. It's also incredibly cost-effective and power-efficient. So why choose Arduino for your projects? For starters, as I've already mentioned, it's beginner-friendly. The vast community around Arduino means you'll find plenty of tutorials, forums, and free resources to help you start your journey. Plus, with Arduino, you get to learn the basics of both electronics and programming, laying a solid foundation for more complex projects in the future. In today's video, we looked at what Arduino is and how it stands out from other devices like the Raspberry Pi and desktop computers. In our upcoming videos, we'll dive deeper into the Arduino universe, exploring different types of Arduino boards and getting hands-on with the Arduino Uno R4 Minima with the help of many fun projects. I'm thrilled to have you on this journey. Please take a moment to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell for notifications, and stay tuned for our next adventure into the exciting world of Arduino. Keep creating and exploring. I'll see you in the next video.